Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.